Hurricane Milton. So this is our house.
This is
A
purple.
mess.
This is
We got flooded inside. We can't find place to live anywhere. We have shortage of places to go. So this is our house now. Got flooded, like 2 feet of water inside our house. And look at this. Our bedrooms. And I have the 3 kids. I'm trying to make a safe place to sleep with my 3 kids. And this is what I did. So I just did improvise. I put all this around the area. I taped this in one bedroom, and this is where we're gonna put our mattress.
Mom.
Yes, boo boo.
Gary was doing.
Yeah, so at least we have water and electricity. Yeah. This is our life here. Whereas our what you call this, our insurance and FEMA is like taking forever to, you know, help those people that got flooded and the house look like this. It's like it's been quite a while now. They still didn't do anything about us. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please share this videos.